In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from an old Google Drive account to a new one efficiently. We all know how important it is to keep our files organized and easily accessible, especially when changing accounts. So let's dive right in and make this process smooth and straightforward for you. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll begin by logging into your old Google Drive account using your existing credentials. Once logged in, you'll find a list of all your stored files and folders. The interface might look familiar with your folder structures and recently accessed documents right there at the forefront. Next, you'll want to select the files or folders you wish to transfer. It's as simple as a right click on each item. This will open up a list of options. If you have multiple files or a whole folder to move, simply hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while you select each item, which will allow you to highlight multiple items at once. Once you've selected the desired items, right-click with your mouse, and a menu of options will appear. Look for the Share option and click on it. This step allows you to share the files with anyone, including yourself on a different account seamlessly. When the sharing settings pop up, you'll see a Share button again. Go ahead and click on that. Then look for the option that says Anyone with the link and select it. This is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to access these files through any account by simply using the shared link later. After enabling the option for anyone with the link, enter your email address for your new Google account. Right next to it, ensure you provide yourself with editor access. This gives you the ability to make changes, which is what you need in your new account. Once you've done this, click Share. A confirmation to send will appear. Simply click on the Send button. This action will complete the sharing process on your old account. Now let's jump over to the new Google account where you want the files. Log into your new Google Drive account with your new credentials. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Shared with Me. This is where all files which have been shared to this account will appear. Here you should find the files or folders that you just shared from the old account in this section. So to actually make these files a part of your Google Drive, you'll need to create copies. Right-click on each item and select Make a Copy. This will create a duplicate of each file within your new account. Finally, once the copies are created, move them into My Drive to organize them as you prefer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred files from one Google Drive account to another without a hitch. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to watch it again if you need further clarification. Happy organizing!